Hola amiguis, I'm Maria Jose. I live, work, and travel in my self-converted Sprinter van with my husband Chase and our two dogs, Jake and Pablo. We started this adventure almost 4 years ago when we left our jobs, sold our home, and converted a school bus to travel the United States. We shared recently that we were gifted land from our family and that we are now in the early stages of building a shop to convert adventure vans and buses, building a home to start a family in, and eventually finding a new owner for our current Sprinter van.
This week we made our way to Sevierville, Tennessee to be a part of our friends Tyler and Rachel's wedding. We knew after the wedding that our other friends Cody and Laura would be in the Smoky Mountains, so we extended our stay to spend some quality time with them outside of cell reception.
That's where we'll pick up this week. We hope you will subscribe and adventure with us each Sunday. One of my favorite things about van life is that we get to travel and share with people that we love. And today is one of those days. We were here in Tennessee, so we got the opportunity to hang out with Cody and Laura from Tell to Smitty's. You might know them. We hang out with them while we were in Arizona, and it's their first time here in the Smoky Mountains. We actually reserved a place here in the campground, so we're camping here with them for a couple of days. Little update, you see this little Spooter here? He got a little sick after Thanksgiving. He ate something and he got sick. For the past 2 days, I will say, he threw up, and then he wasn't eating or drinking any water, so he wasn't doing very good. But then yesterday he woke up feeling a little better, and then today he actually he did number 2 with a little blood in it. So we hurry up to the vet and took him and figured out that he has a gut infection, and they give him some medication, some antibiotics. So I already cried today. It has been kind of stressful, but he's feeling much better, I think. He's just getting all the snuggles. So in this moment, I want you to send all your love to little Pacho. So hopefully I can read him the comments and he can feel much better.
I told everyone last week that I could start a fire with a leaf and a wet twig, and I was not kidding. Everything got soaked in a rain the night before, and as my dad would say, I am the last Boy Scout.
Locks are all frozen, and I'm choking on the smoke from the freeway. This city's grown old, I can taste all the rust on your lips.
Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Maria Jose and Laura. What do we have in the menu today?
We have a mix of ramen, a little bit of ramen, spicy ramen, with about 17 different kinds of vegetables. And then I think we're gonna reheat some rice.
Oh my god, look at this amount of rice that we have. Rice and corn. We need to eat it before it goes bad. So that's what we're doing. We're doing a random type of meal, but it's great because look at all this space that we have in the bus.
11 feet.
This is so nice.
11 feet of counter.
I know, in the van would have been like squeezing. Excuse me.
I'll chop on the toilet.
I know, there's only one person standing area. Fancy ramen. Okay, some leftover rice. Our friends, I'm eating some steak. Are you ready for some food?
I'm so ready. This has been smelling so good now.
I know, let's go and eat around the fire.
Sounds good.
turkeys. Kate's Cove has become a staple in our family, and we're always excited to share the beauty with others. It feels kind of weird to be back in the van. You don't know what I'm talking about. We're hanging out with Laura and Cody from Tale of Two Smitties, and we did a 24-hour swap. So we were staying in their bus and they were staying here in the van. So we're gonna link both videos in the description so you can check them out. Today's actually our last night together, so we decided to do, as always, a community meal, something sharing between all of us. The boys are in charge of the fire, the girls are in charge of dinner. It's very easy. We just bought some chili in a can and we're making some bread in the oven, so I'm excited. Hello.
Hello.
Smells good in here.
I was just gonna say, this isn't the prettiest dinner, but it smells very good.
So a lot of you have been asking how we make homemade chili. So this is how we make it right here. First we take a few things,
And then
and then it cooks in the bowl, and then it's in the bowl.
but it's definitely homemade,
Definitely homemade,
right?
yeah.
Yes,
That's right.
obviously.
What's Gardein?
It's Raleigh's food.
Where we grow on.
Oh my god, yes.
Coming back for more. Then you say, let it go, you gotta let it go. And then everything I've ever felt for you comes rushing back. I never lie to you. Far from the truth is everything you do. I can't help myself. I never lie to you.
Hey,
Hey,
do you guys can give me a ride?
do you need a ride?
Yeah,
Hop on up.
let's go. Cute dogs, by the way.
Thanks. Well, I'm used to picking up hobos.
What you said, is that what you said? I never lie to you.
After several below freezing nights in the Smoky, it was time to get back to Nashville. The dogs were so excited to stretch their legs again.
Ah, here we are. Many years gone by,
Oh, it's spicy.
and still we crave, and still we cry. Why'd you lie to me? Oh, darling, please. Won't you let me go? Won't you leave me be? There you say, let it go, you gotta let it go. Everything I've ever felt for you come rushing.
It has been a long couple of days, but nothing feels better than sleeping in our van in the land. Ta-da! Let's get in bed.
Today, we're putting up some fencing on the back side of the property. And I wish you all were here to help us out, because I'm already winded.
It's your first time, huh?
I've never put up fence, which surprised the heck out of my dad, but he doesn't remember I didn't have any country friends. A bunch of city friends. There you go, come on around, a little more. Our come-along was tucked away in storage from the move, but Mariose's Honda Civic worked just fine as a farm vehicle to keep the fencing tight.
All day today we have been working in the land trying to put this fence up. A couple of weeks ago we put the poles up, and then today we got to put the fence up so that way the dogs can stay here on the property. We also want to probably put some trees or something that will give a little bit more privacy. They went and grabbed all the fence material we needed, but the first roll wasn't enough and we still have a little piece that needs to be covered. So I think they got a second roll, so we are probably gonna go ahead and cut it and put it up before it's too late. But yeah, that's it. And then I also think it's gonna rain. it looks very cloudy around me. But it has been pretty good. I think the fence went up easier than I thought.
I took a quick break to love on Jake for a little bit, and then rolled out the last 50 feet of fencing. We'll eventually plant Toyas for privacy around the entire property, but the fence was much needed for the time being.
This right here is the face of someone very, very tired. And what's the best solution for a tired person?
Take a shower.
Chase already took a shower.
Put on clean clothes. Bring me a drink and get a snack.
A snack? You're still hungry?
No, but after you get a shower maybe.
We just had a fall. I'm super full, but I'm so tired. I feel like everybody's just pushing my buttons tonight. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower. That's what I was gonna say. I'm very tired. I'm ready for a shower. We haven't used the shower in the van in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
So I'm happy to get in there.
Take your time, baby. You deserve it.
I deserve a 5-minute long shower with breaks in between. Wow. It's so nice. He got in the shower. Pablo, it's wet. Oh my God. When I'm telling you I don't have privacy in a tiny little van, it's because I do not have privacy.